In today's video, you will learn how to connect Ninja Forms to your favorite email marketing software or CRM. I'll be leaving a link to the documentation for this tutorial in the description down below. Alright, so we'll begin from our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to Mail Opt-in, hover and click on Integrations. So here we just want to make sure that we have the necessary integrations all set up. I'm using MailChimp, but in your case, you can use anything else such as GetResponse or ActiveCampaign or any other software supported by Mail Opt-in. Now, once your integration is all set up, you can move on to Ninja Forms. So I'm going to click on its menu item on the left. And on this page, we can either add a new form or we can edit one that we already have. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this Contact Me form. Alright, so here you can customize your form by adding new fields, or you can simply just move on to the next step, which is to go to Emails and Actions. And next, you'll need to add a new action by clicking on this button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. So we'll see a number of different options here for actions that we can add, but we just want to focus on the installed section at the top. Now we'll go ahead and click on MailChimp with Mail Opt-in in brackets. Okay, so here by default, we have our action name. Next, we'll need to choose a list, which is our email list. Then we'll see a number of different fields which we can map to our forms. We'll start by mapping the email field, and if you take a look on the right hand side, you'll see an icon here which you can click on, then click on email to insert the email tag. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do the same for full name, and by the way, the same process will apply to custom fields if you have any. Okay, so that's it for our field mapping, and we should have an option to disable double opt-in. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on so that we don't have to confirm our email when testing. And finally, we'll click on done. And since we're finished, we'll also click on publish. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and preview our form by clicking on this link. And I'll quickly enter some random information and submit it. Then we'll see our success message. And at this point, we can close this window. And we'll go to MailChimp to see if our random user was subscribed. So we need to go to all contacts in MailChimp. And I'm here already, so I think I should just refresh the page. Alright, so here we have our random user which was subscribed using our Ninja form integration with Mail Opt-in. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.